Hi guys, my name is Chef Abhishek from the Leela Ambience Gurugram, and I'm super excited to be a part of India's largest gourmet festival, World on a Plate Season 5 in your city, New Delhi, with none other than the godfather of modern cooking, Marco Pierre White. Come and enjoy these 2 days where city's top restaurants come together to share their delectable dishes. You get to see a lot of masterclasses by celebrity chefs, unlimited food and drinks at the VIP zone, photo opportunities, meeting your favorite chefs, understanding a lot of things from them, and enjoying the day. And guess what? I also bring to you my masterclass at the Philips Taste Theatre, DLF Saket Avenue, on the 16th of Feb at 12 o'clock, where I share my signature recipe that I am inspired from in my workplace and cook in front of you while sharing my few tips and tricks with you that you can replicate at your home. If you want to know more information and do not want to miss these 2 fabulous days, log on to the website of World on a Plate, www.woap.in, or follow their Instagram handle world_on_a_plate to know more. Well, I will be there. Make sure you are there as well. See you.